are important to answer or fair and fun competition. Only students who raise their hand first will be given a chance to answer that is to be checked by class teacher and send them in front only when we call the class. Children must listen carefully to the question and answer it clearly and loudly. I hope you are all excited to participate in today's morning lesson. A house is made to its newest called on the class second she will answer. How many months are there in a year? On the class first they will answer. How many months are there in a year? On the class second first they will answer. Which animal likes honey? Only first she will answer. How many days are there in a year? Oh, the correct answer is 365. Which part of the planet